Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a low-fat peppermint frappuccino. Now, frappuccino, all it means is it's a made-up word from Starbucks that basically means a frozen cappuccino that is sweetened with espresso. So in order to make a homemade low-fat peppermint frappuccino, we're going to need a few ingredients. First, we're going to need some low-fat milk, so typically 1 to 2% milk. We're going to need some peppermint flavoring, and you could typically find this down the coffee aisle at your local grocery store. We're going to be using some instant coffee, and we're using these packets today, but if you just have instant coffee that comes in a jar, you could use 2 tablespoons instead of these 2 packets. We're going to need a cup of ice, and today we're using a 16-ounce cup of ice, and you're going to need some maple syrup. Now, in order to make this, you're going to need a home blender. And remember to read the user manual of your home blender just to make sure that it can handle this amount of blending. What we're going to do first is we're going to take 1 cup of your low-fat milk and add that to your blender. After you've added the low-fat milk, you're then going to take a half a cup of the maple syrup and pour that in the bottom. After the maple syrup, you're going to take a half a cup of your peppermint flavoring and pour that into the blender as well. After you've added all of your wet ingredients, you're then going to take your 2 packets of instant coffee, or you could also use a shot of espresso if you have a home espresso machine. And then you're going to add that to the bottom of your blender. Once you have all those ingredients in the blender, you're then going to take your 16-ounce cup, fill it with ice to the top, and then you're going to pour that into the blender. You're then going to turn your blender on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until all of the ice chips are completely gone and it's blended well into the beverage. Now, if your blender has a preset smoothie setting, you could go ahead and use that as well to make the beverage. When it's done blending, go ahead, open it up, and make sure that all of the ice has blended well. You're then going to pour your low-fat peppermint frappuccino into your serving glass. You can top it off with light whipped cream if you prefer, or leave the whipped cream off to save on some extra calories. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a low-fat peppermint frappuccino.